this red sand is volcanic ash, the same as the black sand we have seen on the way. Yeah? Exactly at this point, in about 30 centimeters deep, there is a temperature of 70 degrees centigrade. And what is going to happen now? Well, you are going to feel that heat. You just have to leave your hand like that, and my colleague, very kind, will come round, will give you a little present, a little souvenir for you, which is going to be hot. Are you ready for that? Yeah? Okay, so there we go. Some volcanic ash in your hand. Leave your hand like that. He's coming. So let's see. Hot. Oh my God. Just walk out. Ready. Oh, you can do it.